Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Avax. My prediction from 2 days ago was that Bitcoin was about to break 59k and that was the next target. We blew straight through it and we went all the way up to 64k, which means we are pretty close to the all-time high. So let's look at the charts. So this is quite an historic moment actually. We were at 64k yesterday and I want to congratulate you if you were with us when we were at 15k with all the stuff going on with Sam Bankman-Fried and all the scams and Terra Luna and everything we went through from the last bull run all the way down to 15k and load up in this zone. As you remember, I told you, me and my brother told you actually, most in regards of Chainlink, that it's a great time to load up. We don't give financial advice on this channel, this was for education and entertainment purpose only. But it was a great time, and you remember when we blew right through it. We had our ups and downs, mostly ups actually, which could be a topic for this video. We've been going almost straight up. Today we have some news, more on that later. But the next target to the upside is 67k, which is actually where the last green volume candle is residing, or red if you look at the PVSRA tool. I marked it off in the chart for you. 67k is the last one to the upside, and then we have nothing. It's just free space all the way up to 120k or something like that, possibly even higher. It's free room to grow and to get more adoption. And as you know, retail isn't fully involved yet, and we have plenty of room to grow. So with that being said, day trading wise, we have three big volume candles which have been unrecovered from 61k down to 52k. Expect at least half of it to be taken, so 56k, somewhere around there, is pretty healthy if we have a retrace to the downside to grab the open orders, liquidate some late longs, reset, load up, bam, go to 67k, which is the next target to the upside. As you can see, no double top formation as of yet, so be very mindful. Look for possible blue or purple volume candles in the area from here up to 67k. Look for climatic moves, and today might be the day where we have a reversal, because in a couple of hours we have the core PC number, which dictates how the Fed will react to inflation. So this is their main number they look at each month to determine the federal funds rate. Positive or negative, we'll have to wait and see, and could dictate a move to the downside because they prepare for the news beforehand. We have three big green volume candles unrecovered just days before the news event, so could expect a little retrace, would be healthy as well. So targets to downside is 56k in my opinion, not financial advice. If we look at the liquidation map, more money is present right here to the downside at 61.5k. Could be a scalp target for you, not financial advice, but that's just what the charts are telling us. Now let's talk about AVAX. AVAX looking nice as always, and yeah, as you can see, we talked about this in my last day trading update about AVAX. We are starting to form somewhat of a double top formation. We're pretty far from it currently. As you can see, we have to break this local low right here at $27. We're far away from it, so we don't consider any shorts as of yet. When we break that, we get a confirmation, then we can trade to the downside because the move is going to continue to the downside. So nothing to consider right now as we are in a move to the upside. As you can see, not many volume candles present on the daily time frame to the upside from the last move up. So next target is to $51. Break that, we could go all the way up to $66. Because alts haven't had a run yet, I don't know if you noticed it yet, but Bitcoin is close to the all-time high, but much of the alts are not close to the all-time highs. So when Bitcoin stalls or moves slightly to the downside, that's when alts are gonna have their run to the upside. So wait for that. Alts will have their run to the upside. So don't be worried about that. It's just when Bitcoin sells off, they move the profits into alts to grab the last pump, and then everything sort of dumps. That's the usual game in crypto. So targets to downside is first of all $27, break that, we're going to 23, to the upside 49, and after that $66. That's it for the day trading update. I hope you learned something. Big Boss out.